I think our customers as manufacturers face many challenges. They outsource a lot of their non-core processes where possible, and that's both manufacturing and design. And that's where we can step in as a company and help them with those requirements.
I believe it's meeting customers' expectations in terms of price, delivery and service. We do have some very robust processes which we think tackles these problems. We have the support of our parent company in Germany as well, and we also have local manufacturing design which basically solves those problems.
So HARTING can take a customer's concept all the way through to a solution. HARTING parts are at the heart of that particular solution, and that's where we can excel as a company, because we know those products better than anybody. We know the best use of those products, the most efficient use of those products as well. And that knowledge goes throughout HARTING. So the salespeople that first engage with the customer have that level of knowledge. It moves through to our design team, who also carry that knowledge through, and then onto the production area, where we have knowledge of using our products, terminating our products, etc., to give the customer the best possible solution. Our customers more and more are looking to connectorize and modularize their systems, their machines, and they come to HARTING for that connector expertise. What we can do with HARTING Customised Solutions is take that connector requirement and turn it into a solution for our customer. Quite often that modularisation makes the connector more complex, and therefore the solution more complex. And having all of that expertise here enables us to give the customer that complete solution.
What we have here is local manufacturing and local design, which is very important to the customer. So as things change, they can come to us very quickly. We can be very, very quick and efficient in the way we answer all the problems, and that really does stand us in a really good place. And it really is our proposition that we bring forward to our customer.
Our proximity to our customers here in the UK enables us to work very closely with them through the design stage, and we know from experience that they need flexibility. Designs evolve, and we participate in that, and we evolve with them through that design process. Once it moves to manufacture, we also recognise that our customers' demands change, and we have to be flexible to meet those changing demands. And we can again do that by being local here and having the resources in place to be able to manage that change.
The way we ensure quality and consistency in what we do in the factory is by investing in our people primarily. We train all the staff to our IPC 620 workmanship standard. We also incorporate e-learning as well to keep their skills up to date constantly. We continually review our processes on a day-to-day basis, and that gives us, with our continuous improvement culture, that means we can make little step changes day by day, which always means we're on the cutting edge of what we do. In the factory we utilise the HARTING production equipment. This gives us a best-in-class result. We also have a number of systems in place to control our torque testing, retention force, and also most efficient methods of stripping and butting cable.